Assalamu alaikum world GSM 10. Today's subject Samsung Galaxy S21 5G G991N. Binary U6 task facts. This problem the customer asked, your set update task not working. No problem, all GSM friend. My file 100% working. You don't worry. At first, my YouTube channel subscriber, like and comment and Facebook share. I am very confused. My YouTube channel description no link, just link comment box check now. Comment box no link. Immediately, now we see, please just a minute wait. WhatsApp number, this country number, Bangladesh country. WhatsApp number, email number, or Telegram join it. And price, now see check price, but paid file. You don't worry, this problem solved. My file 100% working, dear same friend. Every day my site follow now, every day new file post, YouTube channel post, every day only for you. 24-hour service. You don't worry. My service solution, any problem, I am ready 24-hour service. But my business paid file. This file problem immediately WhatsApp are now. Okay? The problem solved. Please my request, my friend, my YouTube comment now. Now check comment box. All country, any problem solve. Samsung Galaxy S21 5G SM G991N binary U6 facts task problem after update OS14. Now download, don't worry. Next, Samsung A042 binary U2 autopath format network problem 100% tested. Okay, my GSM friend, you don't worry. File download now. Any problem, email and WhatsApp are now 24-hour service. My request, at first my YouTube channel subscriber, like and comment on Facebook share. I am promise my file 100% working. Okay? Good night, my friend. I am ready only for you. WhatsApp start now. Any link, any tool, any solution. I am ready. Okay? Good night.